guys, I think this is one of the biggest PR packages I've received. So let's open it up together. This is from Heritage by Mindy. I can't wait any longer, so let's open this up. I have to use my comb for this one. You guys get the first look. Oh my goodness, guys. They spoiled me. Okay, let's look what's in here. Guys, look at all this. First up, we got a hair towel. This is Heritage. Look at this. And then we have a little candle. Guys, look at this. We have a claw clip that says Heritage. Guys, look at this. And we got their Volumizing shampoo and conditioner. Can't wait to try these out. Their scented sweet apple santal. Now we have pajamas. These are really cute pants. Like, look at this. I love the pattern and they feel so soft. And then the top, I will be wearing these tonight. Then we got 1, 2, 3, 4 hair perfumes. This one is Beechwood sea salt, coconut milk pistachio, whipped vanilla cream, and sweet apple santal. Heritage by Mindy. You literally outdid yourself. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try everything. That's it. Bye. Love you guys.